Welcome to Jira Bakery. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain the step-by-step process on how to create a project in Jira. To create a project, you have to go to the projects and click on the create project link. So once you click on the create project link, you will be navigated to the board where you have to select the type of project you want, whether it is a Kanban board or the Scrum board. In this example, let's take the Scrum board. So since we selected the Scrum board, so the default values that we are going to get is epic, story, issue types are going to be this, and the default workflow with the statuses are to do, in progress, and done. In the later point, according to our business need, we can customize these two, and I'm going to explain it to you in my later videos. So I'm going to use this template, the basic template of the Scrum board. And the next part is going to be that we have to choose the project type. Do we need to create the team manager project or the company manager project? So there are differences in the team manager project and the company manager projects that I'm going to explain in my later video. But for this high level project creation, I'm going to use the company managed project at this point. So select the company managed project. And now, as soon as you select the company managed project, you will be navigated to the project details page where you have to you have to define the project name. Test project for demos. And the project key is a system defined. However, you can edit the project key. So for example, I just want only the test project for a text project for demos. And then just simply click the create. As soon as you create you click on the create, you will be navigated to the newly created project. So now you are in your project. So let's see the backend version of the project. System defined the backend version of the project. To go to the backend, just you scroll down all the way down and click on the project settings. So once you click on the project settings, you will be redirected to the project details page where it gives all the information about the newly created project, the project name and the key, and project type. You can change it whatever the way you want, and the category and the description of the project. If you would like to give some description what this project is all about, you can write it down here. And also you can define the project lead you can select the project lead from the drop down in this section. By default, the project creator will be the project lead in this scenario. And also whatever the issue created in this project, you can assign it to the designated person by selecting it to the person in this from this drop down list. If you want it to be open without any assignment, then just leave it unassigned, so the issues will uh, come to this project unassigned. And let's go to the summary section of this project. So in this summary section, by the way, I explained the detailed version of what is issue type and what is workflow schemes in my videos that I'm going to give the links in my description. So if you need some information on what is issue type and workflow, please feel free to watch those videos. So if you remember, when we select this Scrum template, this template comes with the default issue types: bug, epic, story, subtask, and the task, and also the default workflow, screens, default screens, and the fields. And I'll talk about the components on the right side part in the later advanced stages. So these are all the issue types that you can create a bug issue under this project, epic. You can create an epic in this project, and also you can create a story and subtask and task. And the workflow, anything, everything, only one workflow is there. Let's click on this workflow, how it looks. This is the system default workflow. By the way, these are the global transitions. I explained it in my workflow, what is workflow in Jira video. The video link is in the description. Please feel free to watch if you have any questions on this. Even though this is the default workflow, it comes with the project template. We can customize it based on our need. Likewise, we can create our own issue types based on the need, and also we can create the new workflows. For example, if you have a specific workflow steps for Epic, we can create a new Epic workflow, and also the screens, because the reason why we may need multiple screens is that each issue type screen might have a designated fields. So to have that, we have to create multiple screens. I'm going to explain in detail in my later videos. Please watch out for those videos, and I'm going to create it shortly. And with this, you have successfully created a project and the backend, and I explained a little bit of backend configuration, how it looks. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Jira Bakery for more videos. Thank you.